guys, it's Anthony Schmidt, and today it's my birthday. So what we're doing is we're waiting for our birthday cruise to come by, and they're gonna be. One woman has a gift, and I also got a gift earlier. So we have the car lit up, and there's a 13 right there. Oh, and here's my little brother. So we took this same car for Alex's birthday. We did the exact same thing. So
cool. We're just waiting now. They should be here any minute. Oh my gosh, it's so dark over there. You can't even see Dad. He's standing right next to Alex. Dad, you're like invisible. It's so dark out here. Oh, let me see. There's Dad. He's actually here. Look at
you're losing them.
You could just set it inside the car. That would be great. Because my hands are full trying to get this. I think this must be the wettest birthday parade ever. That was a big turnout that was such a big turnout for a rainy night. Awesome. Happy 13, Anthony. Woo!